Okay, Sarah, can you tell us what we're looking at here?
This is the Coliseum, home of the gladiator, Russell Crowe.
Russell Crowe lives
Lions,
there?
tigers, and bears. Sometimes Navy boats. Lots of people died here. Not very many women got to witness it. We sat up there in the fornication booth.
In the what?
Fornication booth.
Up there?
Yeah, you got to see. The VIP section, alias Skybox, over here.
Right in there. Alright.
What else? No, we're going to Palatine Hill now, so we'll let you know.
Okay. Signing off from Coliseum.
Do you need any more for signal?